Welcome, dear friends. Today is the 12th of October 2021. It's 4:29 local time. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a market overview. So here we see again euro dollar preparing itself to do another attack of those stops down here. I know the market is overstretched. I mean, if you look at the 4-hour chart, as I've shown before, we are at the last part of an exaggerated trend down against all these longies, but there's no real reason why the smart money algos should not clear out once more and take out all these empty stops in one go. You see it better here on the 4-hour chart, so they may as well just clean out. Okay. I also would like to show you dollar yen on a 1-hour chart here. Here, see what happens when shorties come into the market again and again and again. Those red bars are all the money sellers, okay, trying to sell the market. So they create, with their selling positions, they create an uptrend. Okay, the smart money algos detect the sellers and push the market up and go for their stops, which has been happening for several days now. So never ever trade short when you see something like this, like a squeeze going on. Very interesting, by the way, in the higher time frame. Yeah, if you go to the 4-hour chart, you see that those highs were attacked. And if shorties come, actually, let me try to show you that. So what happens is if here you see we have a consolidation, and then the price tries to break out the highs of this consolidation, like on the day chart in dollar yen. Shorties come in, so thinking that this resistance will hold and the price will drop. What happens is they break to the upside against those shorties. Okay, I mean, you see it very clearly on the day chart here. That's how the game works. Okay, so keep that in mind. Do not trade in a way where you end up on the dumb money side. Otherwise, you set yourself up for a lot of pain. And the price may go against you again and again and again in an exaggerated fashion. And often you see a reinforcement of the dumb money positions. Yeah, people try to average down their positions. They make the problem bigger. Some get stopped out. Some get a margin call. You know, they're gonna go for those positions and the stop accumulations, as we know, as we have seen for several years now. That's how this market works. It's not a phenomena which appears now and then. It's constantly about this, okay? This is a money tree for the smart money algos because they can control the price. So here we see again dollar cut on day chart 1.24726. As said before, it cleaned out all these moving averages, but stop accumulations tend to be positioned. And you see the longies were hunted with this stop hunt of the moving averages on a day chart. If you're interested in these kind of things, I recommend the video course. These meter levels I explained there in detail. So very interesting price action. Again, the analysis was quite accurate, as you know. I will also show you beast pound yen on a 4-hour chart. It's around 154.288. That was the advanced scenario I've covered in other videos recently. So you see an exaggerated move against, you know, away from the stop accumulation. Okay, that's something I predicted, and this is advanced knowledge again. Okay, so a beginner may be tempted to just trade towards this massive target, but that is not a good idea because, as I predicted, it will clean out the opposite stops first, and it needs to kick out these shorties, okay? It doesn't want to take anyone on the journey towards a target here, so it needs to kick them out of the market. Once that has happened and even longies come in, there's a dumb money switch. Like now the market is sensitive towards a dumb money switch, so if longies come in, they may turn and even go for the lower target eventually, but it can take time, okay? So that was the advanced scenario. Okay, so yeah, some interesting price action there, some interesting market structures. And again, good analysis presented here. Stay safe.